Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and in this review we are going to unbox this Bulova men's watch. So I bought this from Bulova store, and if you want to know some more features and some exciting feature for this watch, please stay tuned with me till the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the notification icon so you don't miss the new video. Whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get a notification for it. So I took the watch out of the box, so you can see this is a skeleton watch and its name is Bulova Classic Automatic Watch. It has movement. So I took it out of the box and it was not working because there was no any movement in the box. So I just held it in my hands and it detected the movement from my hand and it started working. As you can see in the video, it is working now. So this watch is 43 classic watch and it is for men's, and it has some amazing features, and it is like, it's not manual watch, it is automatic mechanical movement. Here we can set the time and we can adjust the time accordingly. So right now it's around 8:20, so I am just changing the time, adjusting the time using this small wheel. So time is set now and you can see the watch is working properly now. So this watch specifically works when your arm or when your hand or when your wrist is moving. So it detects movement from your hand and arm or wrist, and then it starts moving. So let's open the bracelet and see inside the watch, like back side of the watch. As you can see, I already told you guys in the video, this watch is skeleton watch and you can also see through from one side to another side. I will show you more details later in the video, so please stay connected. So it has some more details and all the mechanical system you can see from there, all the movement and all the mechanical movements, everything you can see from the bottom part. The dial material is crystal and the display type is analog, and if you see the shape is in round, as you can see in the video. If we talk about the diameter of the case, the dial case, it is 43 millimeter, and also it is, the thickness is 12 millimeter. So it is very good, like for its men standard size band, and the band size is like its width is 22 millimeter with the weight 180 grams. So it is water resistant watch, and the water resistance is up to 100 meters, but it is not suitable for swimming or bathing because it's not like 100% waterproof but water resistant. This men's automatic watch from Bulova is very bold and handsome choice, even for yourself or if you wanna gift to somebody special. So this is very perfect choice. We have some extra strap, like if you wanna adjust according to your wrist, so you can use watch repair tool, and using that you can adjust it according to your wrist size. And we also got a price tag. If you wanna buy this, I will add the link for this in my description box. For more details you can check there. I know this is a men's watch, but I just want to give you guys an idea how it will look on human's wrist. So you can see it has like beautiful finishing and perfect size for a men or like male arm or wrist, and it looked perfect. Now I turned off my light, and just to show you that, first thing, the numbers on the watch is glowing, and other thing, the see-through part, I put the torch underneath the dial and you can see the light from the skeleton part of the watch. So let's have a look on this bracelet. I already told you it's stainless steel, and we have double press lock closure system, and it's very perfect and very good for it's not gonna open on its own. We have to open it and adjust it according to our need. If you want to see more details about pricing and more features about this watch, you can go in my description box and check the link there, and I will also add the model detail in my description box, so you can check there and see all the pricing and description and more features or like specification about this particular watch. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care guys, and thank you. Bye bye.